we're going to announce this is the team that has the best product. The best product, the award for the best product. So the way we evaluated, or the judges evaluated the best product, was how well did you research the idea? How well did you incorporate user feedback? And would you use this product? So how useful is it? And how innovative is the product? So those were some of the things that went into the evaluation for the best product. So the winner for best product is Team BlackJack. Team BlackJack. Team BlackJack, congratulations. Good stuff. The judges and I was very impressed with your product and how you presented it. So tell us, how did you come up with this idea?
I guess ultimately, as students, we always want to find answers. We're very curious, very inquisitive. So I think that BlackJack was really a product of us desiring a newer way to learn and a newer way to connect with other people. So I think that we did the idea some justice through creating Neuron.
Okay, wonderful. Well, congratulations. So all of you are going to get a trophy as well, with your names engraved, as well as your team name and all of that. All right. So as I mentioned earlier, we'll get your names engraved here, and then once they're available, we'll contact you to arrange for pickup. So congratulations again. Good job.